Today we are going to talk about Kvitly, a simple website builder that made especially for small businesses and individuals who want to create a clean and professional website without technical trouble. Many small business owners need a website, but they feel confused by complex builders, hosting issues, and design settings. Kvitly is designed to remove that stress and help you to launch a website quickly and easily. In this video, I will explain what Kvitly is, how it works, who it is best for, and how the AppSumo lifetime deal fits into this tool. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and explore practical software that help the small businesses build an online presence without complexity. If this kind of content helps you, make sure to subscribe this channel. Also check the link in the description to explore Kvitly and any available offers. By using the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use any code or anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, Kvitly is no-code website builder focused on simplicity. The main idea is very clear. You should be able to create a website without design skills, without coding, and without spending days learning how things work. Kvitly gives you ready-made layouts that you can customize with your own text, own image, and brandings. When you visit the official Kvitly website and open the dashboard, everything feels clean and beginner-friendly. You start by choosing a template that matches your business type, such as services, personal brand, or small company website. The templates are already structured, so you are not starting from a blank page. Editing the website is simple. You click on any section, change text, image, or color. The layout stays organized, so your site continues to look professional even if you have no design experience. This is useful for small business owners who just want a good-looking site without worrying about design skills. Kvitly is useful for creating basic but effective websites. You can add sections like about your business, services, contact information, and you can add the call to action buttons. This is enough for many local businesses, freelancers, or consultants who want to be found online and look trustworthy. Another helpful part is Kvitly focuses on speed. Websites load fast and are designed to work well on both desktop and mobile devices. This is important because many visitors now come from phones, and slow or broken site can push people away quickly. Kvitly also removes many technical worries. Hosting and basic setup are handled inside the platform, so you do not need to buy separate hosting or manage complex settings. This makes it a good option for beginners who want everything in one place. Now let's talk about the AppSumo deal. Kvitly is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, which means you pay once and you can use the tool long term based on the tier you choose. This can be very helpful for small businesses that want a website without monthly costs. The first AppSumo tier is usually good for individual or very small business. It allows you to create a basic website with essential features. This is suitable if you only need one simple site to represent your business online. The next tier gives you more flexible and you may able to create additional pages, use more customization option, and manage more client. This works well for growing businesses that want a slightly more detailed websites. Higher tiers are designed for the users who manage multiple sites or need more control. These plans are useful for agencies or people who build websites for clients. They offer higher limits and more room to scale. If you are already planning to build a website and want a simple tool without recurring payments, checking the AppSumo deal through the description link, that can be a smart option. You can choose the tier that matches your needs without worrying about codes or extra steps. Overall, Kvitly is good choice for small businesses and beginners who want a clean and simple website without any technical stress. It focuses on ease of use and practical results, helping you get online quickly and confidently. So that was the video about Kvitly and the lifetime deal from AppSumo. If you found this video helpful, then give this video a like, subscribe this channel, and thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.